cellular data is important, especially if you're on the go. It gives you the capability to connect to the internet and send MMS or text messages with attachments. However, some owners of the iPhone X have been complaining because the cellular data on their devices no longer works after the iOS 13.3 update. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if cellular data no longer works on your iPhone. First solution, perform the forced restart on your iPhone. Most of the time, this problem occurs out of the blue without apparent reason. So if you were able to use this service prior to this issue, then it's probably just a minor one. You must first do the forced restart, and here's how it's done. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key for 15 seconds or until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process. When the reboot is complete, try to see if cellular data is now fixed. Second solution, disable cellular data and re-enable it. This is a trick we've been using to fix issues like this. What it actually does is refresh your phone's connection to the tower. It's effective, so it's worth trying. Here's how. Launch settings from the home screen. Touch cellular. Now, tap the switch next to cellular data to disable it. After a few seconds, tap the switch again to enable it. Once you're done doing this procedure, try to see if your device can now connect to the network via cellular data. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. If the problem continues after the previous solution, then it's time to reset your iPhone. A reset should be able to fix this problem, but before you actually do that, make sure to create a backup of your important files, as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now, enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that the simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. We would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.